Hello, and on today we will be taking a look at a new set and a new Percy. How about that? Alright, so we're going to be taking a look at the water tower set, which is essentially just really a starter set, and it uses an old destination, the water tower, which has been released before, and before it was released just as a, I believe just as a destination. Now they included a Percy in it and kind of made it a set. There's really almost nothing significant about it other than you get what looks like maybe a better stop track for this set. You get the Percy, which is exclusive Percy for this set. It's watercolors on him and detail on his side, which we have not seen before. And what's not noted is that it looks very simple, but there is something else I want to share with you. But first, let's read the synopsis. Okay, it says, Percy is heading to the water tower to fill his boiler. Stop him below the tower, then raise and lower the spout. Okay, and so that will, you got to manually raise it up and down. So, and they give you, like I said, it's a longer stop track, which we haven't seen like that one, but we've seen stop tracks, other longer stop tracks, but that's the colored one. We haven't seen it before. They also mentioned these push-along motorized push-along Trackmasters, they call them, that are coming early next year, 2019. And I don't know about those that much. Some people have asked me about those. I don't particularly care about those because they don't look like they're to scale with the other Trackmasters. It's nice to get some of the engines I think they're offering that they might not make a motorized version of, but why not make it to scale? That part I don't get. So that's my first initial take on that. Okay, so but what's significant about this set, it looks like when you first glance at it that it's just a regular looking track layout, and then there's the water tower, and then there's the Percy and the stop track, and that's all there is to it. But I've noticed something, okay, by digging in a little deep in this set. These curves that are in this set have never been released before. These are longer curves than the actual curves that we have seen before. I'm going to show you all three sizes of curves that they're offering now with this one included, to show you that these 8 that you're getting in this set are different. What that will mean for your expanded layouts and all that other stuff, don't know. Don't know if it'll give you any more options or whatever, because I haven't explored it that much, but I do know that they are different than the other, used to be CL tracks, I think they call them curve longs. So that might be something of note. Other than that, we're going to unbox this Percy and set this set up, let you see it in action, and then you tell me what you think. And in addition to that, the other stuff that we got coming up in this short term, it's going to be a lot of Percy stuff, because there's a lot of Percy. I found a Percy I have been looking for a while. You'll see that in the upcoming video. I got him finally. And I also never finished showing you guys the Animal Party Percy and the Monkey Mania Thomas. So I'm going to be showing you those coming up shortly, and maybe even some play rail stuff. So stay tuned to that, and let's unbox this Percy and show you what this has to offer. Thanks. Okay, we have unboxed Percy, and there he is, Percy. Right there. Look at the detailed water on his side. Now, why would water be on his side if it's supposed to go into his funnel? Don't know. But obviously this indicates some kind of a spill or something like that. But it's water detail on the top, on the side, and on the other side, and they are not identical, just opposite on each side. So I don't know. So you got a water covered exclusive Percy. It's just your standard Trackmaster 2 Percy with some detail on the side, okay? And of course you get the CGI face of Percy. Okay, so that's that. Now, the only other thing I want to mention about this set let's talk about the water tower for a second, brief second. The water tower itself is just a standard water tower, and you have to manually raise this hose or the shooter pipe or whatever it is. You have to manually do that, and then this wheel kind of spins on its own. But that's the only thing they really offer with the water tower. It's got some pieces on there, and that's it. Some 3D looking like it's in a garage or something like that, or some things underneath there. But that's basically it, and then that. But like I did say, the tracks, the curved tracks, the straight track that comes with this set is just a straight track, and the stop track is the equivalent of a straight track, same length. But the curves, let's talk about the curves for just a second. Okay, the curves prior to this set, the curves have been the same. There's only been two types of curves that came with any of the Trackmaster 2 sets, and that's either been this curve, which has been they call this a CS for a curve short, maybe, and then you have a CL, which is a curve long, and it's been those two lengths, and that's all you've been given. I would love to have one shorter than this one for some, just sometimes you got to turn off to the side, or the flex track like they had with the Trackmaster 1 and the Trackmaster 2 form, but they haven't come out with those yet. Not a big deal, okay? Some paint, you can paint your old flex track and get good use out of it. But now, not only do they have these two lengths here, let me try to get a good picture of it. So the curve S. This one comes with a track that's simply a C on it. See? So here's the indicator, the key CS for curve short. And then on this track, if you can see it, right there is a CL for a curve long. Well, this one is just a C. Alright? And when you put them all together, you end up with three, of course, different lengths of curves. So what does that mean for your longer setups? I don't know. I don't know if they fit exactly like with these, and then you just add a track in it, or if it gives you, no, it looks like it's going to give you a different angle. So see, if I put this one above here, this track doesn't curve like it does with that, and then you can just maybe add like a short piece to it like this and get the equivalent of that curve because it's not curved. So it might offer some other possibilities or configurations that we weren't able to get before. Not sure how many, but just something of note. It's a different curve. That's just all it is. All right. So other than that, we'll show you a little bit more about this set, or Percy running around this set, and we'll see you soon. All right. Thanks for watching.